Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Orivelle Nail Fungus Pen. The Orivelle Nail Fungus Pen is a product that claims to fight nail fungus and improve the look of infected nails. It is designed as a simple pen-like applicator, making it easy to use without mess. The formula is said to target fungus directly, helping reduce discoloration, brittleness, and thickening of the nails. Some users say they notice cleaner and healthier look nails after regular use, but results can vary. Like most nail fungus treatments, it needs patience, as improvement usually takes weeks or months. The brand advertises natural and safe ingredients, but the full ingredient list isn't always clearly explained. The raises questions about transparency and effectiveness. A few customer online report mixed experiences, with some calling it helpful while others saw little change. Because it's marketed heavily online, there are doubts about whether all positive reviews are genuine. It is not FDA approved as medical treatment, which is important to know before relying on it fully. Doctors usually recommend prescription antifungal medicines for serious cases, so this pen may only work for mild issues. The price may feel high compared to regular pharmacy solutions. On the positive side, the pen is portable, easy to carry, and can apply it everywhere. Some buyers may find it a supportive addition to their nail care routine. Overall, Orivelle Nail Fungus Pen seems like more cosmetic help than a guaranteed medical fix, so it's smart to be cautious and not depend on it as the only solution. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.